Place the machine on a cool, stable surface with good ventilation and away from any heat sources. Remove the tap water tank cover from the machine and lift the tap water tank upwards. Fill the tap water tank with tap water. Then place it back into the machine with the cover properly on the tap water tank. Plug the power cord into an electrical outlet. The machine will beep and the display panel will light up, indicating that the machine is running. After plugging in the power and closing the water tank cover, the dispenser will automatically clean before and after water filtering. For optimal performance, it is recommended to clean the machine following the steps below after using the filter for the first time or changing the filter. After installing the filter, press and hold the 24 ounces and 32 ounces button for 3 seconds. When you hear a beep, the filter is being rinsed. When you see 30 flashing on the user interface, then hear 3 beeps, empty the water jug. When the changing water indicator flashes, you will hear 3 beeps. Drain the water in the tap water tank and refill it with clean water to the maximum line. When the progress reaches 90 and the water extraction button flashes, you will hear 3 beeps. There is no need to empty the water jug. Place a container with a capacity of at least 8 ounces under the nozzle and press the water extraction button. When the machine displays 100, it means that the cleaning process is complete and you can now start using the dispenser. If the water level in the water jug is low, the water dispenser will automatically start filtering tap water until the filtration is completed. When the water filtration indicator light is on, you can still dispense water. When the water filtration indicator light flashes, you cannot dispense water. During the water filtration and dispensing process, the machine will test and display the TDS value of both the tap water and the filtered water. There are 4 preset water volumes to choose from: 8 ounces, 12 ounces, 24 ounces, and 32 ounces. Select the preset water volume and the display will show the water volume. You can increase or decrease the water volume by 2 ounces at a time by pressing the pluses or minuses button. When the water jug is not installed or is improperly installed, the filtered water jug indicator will flash. When it is correctly installed, the indicator light will stay on continuously. Select the desired water volume and the display will show the selected water volume. Press the water extraction button once to dispense water. Press it again or press another button to stop dispensing water. When the changing water indicator flashes, the water in the tap water tank needs to be replaced. If there is no operation within 60 seconds, the machine will automatically enter sleep mode. If a small cup is used, the removable drip tray can be pulled out and placed directly in the highest position to adjust it to a higher position. If there are obvious impurities on the bottom of the tap water tank or filter water jug, rinse it with water and clean it with a cleaning brush. Clean the tap water tank and water jug with a brush at least once a week. It is recommended to descale the tap water tank every 3 months to prevent severe scale formation. Descaling steps. Fill the tap water tank halfway and add 30 grams of citric acid. Stir gently and soak for 2 hours, then pour out the citric acid solution and rinse the entire tap water tank with tap water. Please replace the filter according to the filter lifetime indicator on the display panel or the recommended replacement cycle. To replace the filter, turn off the machine and remove the tap water tank and the machine top lid. Turn the used filter counterclockwise to the unlock icon position and remove it. Insert the new filter into the filter cartridge holder. Turn it clockwise to the lock icon and then cover the machine top lid. Then put the tap water tank back into the dispenser. Press and hold the 8 ounces and 12 ounces buttons for 3 seconds. The filter lifetime indicator will turn back to white, indicating that the filter lifetime has been successfully reset.